ngiyabona as friends zabo but I know icala lenu like friend like neka be bestie nibe ne sleep over like yonke lanto yeniyenzayo of which yeah iba different because niyadilita no numbers abe delete numbers akhatha over abantu.
I know. So for I can't control it. So your voice does get strained and it gets tired, and when it's tired, it shows.
As kule what veki yabo.
Yeah.
They consume like opera and stuff, and I was like, no man, dingene. Phone yakho yabo uzoba ukhalazi ba i-social media like igcwele izinto ezingekho educational yabo and then ugqiba kwakho ucima ifone yakho yabo but now into yoba if azikho into educational azikho because azenziwe yabo so now kungcono uba sizenze nathi sizifake then ke ngoku at least ke ezinto that we deem ba azikho educational sizawuba ne competition ezi that we say the educational because
okay so this girl likes this guy so much so utata wale chero kabane ni family yalo mjinda so in that scene where Acula Langoma she's pleading with her father like oh my god he's so handsome he's amazing please let me marry him if you do not allow me to marry him I will kill myself
Romeo and Juliet.
Exactly, it's like that. Exactly. So yeah, what she was pleading allow me to marry this man.
Yes, but then I was about there was
what matters is how you express yourself. How you can tell a story for Umdu who doesn't know the language, doesn't understand what you're saying, but can tell man, I know this was very sad.
Yeah. Okay.
So you need
Mr. Pine ukwazilo yenza.
Exactly. It's a sad song.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Driving Conversation. Namhlanje ndiphinde ndaphatha enye lady uZizipho and yeah, uMade ukhona naye ngapha ya. Yeah man. Unjani?
I'm fine. I'm laughing about how we talked about earlier, but I'm okay. I'll behave.
I'll behave, right?
I'll try.
Nah, so I know what man. According
I'm okay.
According when I'm at day, unjani?
I am doing good, sir. How are you doing?
No problem. From the last episode we go show namhlanje kuyabanda.
Yeah.
It's a chill one today.
Kuyabanda nokho namhlanje. And yeah, so uZizipho, Mfunzo and yeah man. Last episode was the first lady of which namhlanje is the second lady.
Yeah.
And kungathi sikwe run of having ama ladies.
Maybe when younger there needs to be like 2 months dedicated to women.
Oh yeah.
Women's month.
Yeah. But go man yabo, and it's not like start ama lady for the sake of include abantu because abantu abanswembu nabo yabo and abantu abafundisayo izinto that we do not know and now like kunelinye side esingalaziyo and it's all interesting man. And just to kick things off man, like a brief introduction about like who is uZizipho and yeah, then someone is about ezinye izinto.
Yeah, so uZizipho, and people know me as Ulili. It's kind of cool growing up, everyone knows me as Ulili. And that's the name I mostly use now. I was born and raised in Khayelitsha. I still live there. I am 26 years old, a student at UCT, at the South African College of Music to be specific. I am an opera artist.
Damn.
That's what I do. That's what I'm good at. So yeah, that's briefly Jay about me.
So, okay, like, the questions then now about the opera
Yeah.
before get like go straight,
Yeah.
like Ulili from Zizipo, Upmanjani, because
Oh,
nicknames about someone sugar like straight
Ugama, I
yeah.
know. So when I got home from the hospital, Utabawo was like Guzizikolo. And then someone else at the family said, oh, Sister Katata said, Mande Temba.
Okay.
So Uzizipo was the only name that made it to my birth certificate. Uli Temba was just a name that's out there in So from Uli Temba, they said Ulili to shorten it. So Ulili comes from Uli Temba, but I don't really use Uli Temba. People from primary know Uli Temba. Then from high school to varsity, they know Uzizipo.
No.
Yeah, but where I live, everywhere, everyone just says Uli.
Yeah. And both bands are doing the because ukhona umntana asendlini ngu-Olga kwi-certificate but xa simbiza ezibusi because ukhule ebizwa ezibusi.
Yeah, even my umtshana wam igama lakhe ngukwande. I named him Olothando, but Olothando never made it to which is sad. That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah. Amagama yile trick nje because siphela sibiza ngayo amagama why bengekho ku-birth certificate but you learn to embrace manigama.
Yeah. Which is weird that I fell in love with amagama angekho ku-birth certificate, and the one Uzizipo was just something that I just got used to like a few years ago.
So like esikolweni i-lectures senzulile nazo kanye zibiza
No, so in primary school I didn't know about Uli Temba angekho ku-birth there. So in grade 7 even, omnye teacher like came to me, admin says school in some primary in Jongo, came to me and was like, Ngubani Zizipo? And I was like, what from like the earliest grade I've used Uli Temba.
Okay.
On Bali test, Uli Temba is my books had Uli Temba, never Uzizipo. So I started using the name Uzizipo at grade 7. Like we test inside, so they were like, no, you need to stop doing that because it's not on your birth and stuff like that. So I was like, okay. So that's how I knew, but I can't write Uli Temba was it or something.
Yeah.
Just so weird.
Then you were born and raised in Apple, a Kailij.
I was born in 8-day hospital. And I was raised in Kailij, Gazette, and then I moved to Koyu when my mom bought a house for that time.
Oh. Then ezilalini because we have usive apho wanikhangela abakhaya bakhe comments no like
okay.
no, so
I doubt that you have umkhaya wakhe because even when I tell people isiduko sam, they've never heard of it before.
Okay. Isiduko
sam Matyani.
Okay, yeah.
And Utata was from Ntabangulu. Please don't ask where that's at. I don't know. I just don't ask me. So Utata was in Ntabangulu and then Mama was in Mama yena Mazulu.
Oh.
So Utata Limbondo and then Mama Libaca.
Okay.
So I'm doing work with Utata because they got married obviously. So, yeah.
Oh.
So Limbondo.
Then okay, wazalwa apha then primary yakho
Njongo primary school. It's a Ikosi. Yes, just love. Before Figuerenz, that road you use, there's two schools pie. There's a high school this side and a primary school this side. So I was there.
Okay, they born.
Yeah.
They born primary
It's
school.
near Koni Pastor.
Yes. Payana. And then my high school is in Bulungo. I can't necessarily say but Ikfuchane and Bulungo because I didn't go back to so you guys won't know.
I know,
but it's in Bulungo. It has like a blue uniform with
so
yellow and white thingies. So
No.
yeah, every school I've been at is in Khayelitsha. It's just
Yeah.
varsity that's.
Then enjongo ubusaziwa ngantoni like okay okanye usaziwa ngantoni by friends and then ngantoni by audition because zinto ezi-different lezi.
Yeah, friends knew me. Well, I've never really had friends. I just started making friends in varsity in my like third year or something. I swear it's so no. I swear it's hard for me to make friends. I've never. It's hard. I don't know how because at that time I was young. So I didn't like. Had it like, oh, let's meet up and now we need to do that. So it just never happened. I was just, the only time that I can say I've made a best friend is in varsity. I've never had a best friend. I've never experienced that before varsity. I would just have, so we're talking and we're friends like that. If she spend the lunch or so too, then, oh, that's good. But like most of the time I'd be by myself okanye primary school sasidibana Miss Psyche. Oh, bless her. Miss Psyche. And like our lunch we would spend it with her, so that's by 6.
Okay.
So those were not I don't regard them as my friends. It was just about like kuba sasicula sonke and Miss Psyche wena le group yakhe akho izinto events endaweni ethile uthatha le group yabantu by 6, so like I was also part of that.
Sure.
So that's how I'd spend my lunch breaks at primary school.
But like if friends awuzifomishe kanjalo ufumanisa uba like kukho loo nto niyenzayo and then abo bantu they become friends.
Yeah,
then
but abantu already have their own friends.
okay.
So and I'm not gonna like insert myself. And I think it also goes with whether you fit in with someone. And that's the only thing that we connect on. But like privately, are we really going to connect? Like, are we going to be the same people, going to have the same conversations and stuff like that? Let me make an example. So, people that I would say I had were my friends, and
Okay.
so like by Christmas you're going door to door asking for Christmas as abantwana, so we would do that. So soon as primary 1, so but like like I said, a primary separate. We're not friends like that. They had their own friends in primary school and stuff like that. So la age like bona majita and like kwizindawo events that's where they went. I never did.
Okay.
I think even like the dating life for me it started at a later age than them. So by high school they were on a different path, and for me I path up to this day that I don't really enjoy that. So why would I go out I don't like parties. I don't like going out because now I've never been to Rennes before.
Yeah.
That's how much I compared to someone ohlala eKhayelitsha.
Yeah.
It's weird. Yeah, but I've never been, so I genuinely do not enjoy Izandaws in JR.
Yeah.
I just don't. So
Okay.
I've been weird my whole life.
No, because okay, one ungumntu othanda uthetha yabo,
Yes.
and mostly abantu that I would say we extrovert, so kuba easy to make friends. And then kuwe ke ngoku uthi
It's not.
ibingekho kanjalo yabo. And then okwesibini like lento yechomi and profit different from amantombazana, because amantombazana like friends like bestie and whatnot yabo. But if friend like most of the time xa wenza loo nto leyo abo bantu uzofumaniseka uba uzodibana nabo uthe nabo lunch.
Yeah.
They sort of become friends. And yes ke let's say umzekelo emsebenzini banezo work friends
Yeah.
yabo, esikolweni ube nezo school friends, then kule ndawo uhlala kuyo
Yeah.
then uphinde ube nezo friends
Yeah.
yabo. And ke ngoku somehow if let's say uphume kweso sikolo eso yabo uyojoyina kwesinye then ni break out yabo, yes i-friendship ayizubakho as fast as it was, but if umntu uyanitatsha athi hey what like I still believe say friends am yabo, because I do have like abantu endi-close nabo like friends nyanyani from either ebholeni okanye esikolweni, but now asathethi kangako, and not because ba siyekile uba zi-friends
Yeah.
but sibhizi nje phaa
Yeah,
naphaa
yeah, yeah.
but whenever umntu ezothi like andifowunele we click back yabo so ndinezo friends ezinjalo mna yabo
Yeah.
ngapha nangapha and I deem like ngibabona ezi-friends zam
Mm.
but I know kwicala lenu like i-friend like funeka beyibhesti nibe ne-sleep over like yonke laa nto yenu niyenzayo of which yeah iba different because niyadilita
Yeah.
no-delete numbers
I
numbers
only like
akhatha off abantu
I know. So for me, dala kusaphila umakhulu wami.
yeah
Every holiday, cousins are my age from Eastern Cape, Gauteng, they would come and like spend the holidays there. So that's how I was never bored during holidays because they were my cousins.
okay
And then I understand that you can tell you about your school, you have school friends, you've got work friends, you've got different friends. But for me, I guess for me, a friend is something else. I define it as something. I can have a conversation with you today
Sure.
or every single day because when we can have a conversation every single we help, but that doesn't necessarily mean I regard you as my friend.
Yeah.
And go at this age that I'm at, for me, a friend, it doesn't necessarily have to be a best friend, but for me, a friend is someone who I know, God forbid something happens and I lose someone.
yeah
Someone that I can call and I get even they're there with me, like bayancedisa and akufuneka mna ndihoye but they know the situation I'm in and they know that I do not have that strength bamandibahoye so like le nto yenziwa ngabantu abangoomama basekuhlaleni
Yeah.
ndiyokera kuloo zibanibani funeka kuphekwe kuloo zibanibani. Those, if I can call someone or if I can think of someone in my mind and say nguloo mntu enoyenza loo nto, that's a friend to me.
no
It's more like that.
is it like i-agreement eniyenzayo uba like if this happens okanye no inenzekayo like sometimes abanye abantu we find uba une-expectation uba okay lo mntu will pitch up
Yeah.
then somehow angapitchi up ufumanisa uba naye uyacinga uba maybe I would be overstepping or maybe like udinga some time oba
For
akhule down
me, no, we don't talk about that. But for me, lihlobo mna umntu endiyibone ngalo, like the role they play in my life.
yeah
And if I think of someone like that, then it's up to them whether to like show me, but no, I'm not that for you. Okanye, or I am that for you, and I will pull up, and I will be there, and I will support you. But it's not a matter of I expect that from you. No. For,
Because-
let me just, sorry to cut you off. Let me just
Yeah.
make an example. I'm starting to make new friends. Go, believe it or not.
okay
And as the friends, like I'm through my boyfriend. So you like say you went out on a date and then it's a double date and then I learn to do this
Sure.
you guys exchange numbers because you're like, no, we have to do this again, and then as like which has mercy, well, post the status you react. Hopefully that's what I do because there's spiky side at this point. I want friends. I want friends. I can't have that one friend all the time. I want friends. So there's like and I'm like, no man, I'm going to cook this weekend uzukuze. Like kubone, let's chill without the guys. Let's chill and see uba ikhona lando where like and see if there's that connection. So I was spiky until there comes a point where I'm like, okay, there is no connection. Let me start forcing it. It was nice knowing you. I would still hang out with you, but at least I know, but it's not on that like friendship level.
yeah
So that's it's always been like that. And yeah, imagine you're a kid, and at the time it was called what's this is B dance, a cruise. So like I'm popular a lot, and I'm like, guys, like I don't see it.
I was engaged
But so I'll just go home, and then they would do that. I'm cool now. So, up to this day, we haven't talked in a very long time, but it's not a matter of I don't greet.
Yeah.
I see them, I greet them, but they pay up and they
then otitshala wena like
Oh,
bakubona
Otishala.
uthule or uyathetha eklasini
Oh no, I'm tulang a classy. When
okay
it's time to work, I'm there. I'm there, I
Uyapparticipate,
participate. They know me as like I do participate. they would like to put me on these programs where even because of school and they're talking about life orientation stuff.
Okay.
They put me because they know I'll talk, you know. And yeah, so that's how they know me. They don't know me as someone who's quiet. They know me as a good student. I pass.
Yeah.
I participate. If angati, oh, there's this other time in high school, Utisha life orientation was like, economy was a Saturday and they want like to debate, like debating about like is it so I was like, yeah, I'm there.
Yeah.
I was that type of student.
No.
Wasn't that being a young I think I was ugly in high school and Paris was like that's what I mean. I said that's what I mean. Like you know, no more magic that started at a very later age because I wasn't even that in high school. I couldn't eat girls at high school and I was
Cool.
I was not part of them.
And then just speaking of eat girls, we went to the same high school, same primary school as well. He can tell you now about eat girls now. I was
never that for them, and I was okay with it at the time. Honestly, I was okay with it. Like, I was okay with it.
No man, like I would say understandable because been slow and too little so and then when like from as chats or like off camera and stuff and now we both like then chiki ngoku friends dololo like
no
they're
in class when it's time to do work, but outside of that I never really had a life. I'll just go back home, wake up, go to school, participate, come back home.
Okay. Then apart from iskolo, like so ungenazo nesport or yonke into
No, I
yenzayo?
was bad at sports. I hate running. I hate sports. I tried loving in netball, but I was bad at it, so I stopped. Sports.
By
never.
bed, like which one's like ungakwazi ukora, ungakwazi defend.
Like I was tall, so ukora.
Like easy.
But it's just not understanding the rules.
Oh.
And now I'm not even investing time to understand the rules because like my mind say pumile ba upuma apho.
Yeah, interest. Yeah.
Yeah.
Man. So a primary like dance nomculo next.
No, primary I did music.
Okay.
Lunch like group abantu abayi-6-8 bananarumis.
Oh.
So we weren't necessarily practicing for anything, but it was just a tradition. About lunchtime we're going there because there's like a nice conversations. We ask whatever we want to ask. At that time a lot is happening for young girls, so we also talk about that. But if mhlambi yena umisi wayebiziwe mhlambi ngabantu bakulo organization or whatever to like kofika abantu and uyaziwa moslamisi but she had an acting group high school and I was also a part of that, so we would act about izinto that have to do with rape, teenage pregnancy, HIV and stuff like that. So we would do ezo zinto kwezo events. And then apart from that there was also a choir, a primary, so I was also a part of that. That's about it. That's what I would normally do.
Busy most, but like it's more like abantu abenza izinto zakho. If friends like you would have them, because abantu like abaye bangabina friends, you find ba akho activities abazenzayo esikolweni, then umuntu uyanje esikolweni abuye, but like ubone choir, ubone izinto actor kuzo, like you participate like actively.
I did, but there has to be. Okay, so equayarin, I would go there and I would do what I have to do. When mhlambi say kuthatha break ngoku, abantu they go on their sections with their friends and talk about it. I don't fit anywhere within that.
Sure.
And even like sekumiwe like simile but like yancokolwa, I'll just be wandering off alone. Kulapho nalapho apho ndingena kulo ncoko okanye ndandibuze loo nto. Like I was not noticed in that way. Yoba abantu ncola nabo, they see me as lecturer bana who ulili no, It was never anything like that. Even in high school, it was like that.
Yeah, ndiyaqala uyiva le
I know, and
experience.
and ke ngoku loo nto izawukwenza as
Yeah.
umntana uba mawube ngumntu othuleyo, but I'm not umntu othuleyo. It's
Yeah.
just the situation is forcing me to be that because I can't fit in like any conversation. I can't fit in any group. Okanye ufike kukho laa group yabantwana abanikwa imali enkulu esikolweni. I don't fit there. Kubekho laa group yabantwana like aboyikayo mhlawumbi like considered as bullies. I don't fit there. Kubekho leya ba clever. I am clever, but the conversations privately they just don't click.
Yeah.
Or like I don't relate to some of the stuff that they say, but I know but I'm clever so I was just like that. I talk too much, but I take into about xa ndibona umntu ngoku xa ndibona umntu ezihleleni ezayo kuye ndithi hayibo uyafuna itshomi yam. Yabo. I'll answer what you're saying. I'll continue the conversation if I have to, but it doesn't necessarily mean that sawuziveza kuwe right there and then when we see each other.
Yeah. Hayi, ndikuvile. And not uba siyayidraga le ndaba le yale friendship, but it's just that
weird.
mind blowing. Yeah, mind blowing
I
because
know.
like mna ndiyatshintitsha mosiyabo and andithethi kakhulu but I still managed uba ndibe ne-friends yabo and ke ngoku bendidlala ibhola so obviously phaa ibholweni ndizaba nazo itshomi yabo nase-high school like I wouldn't say I struggled into yoba netshomi like kwezo activities endiya kuzo I would make friends yabo then yes ke iba khona ke apho ufumanisa uba i-conversations ke zibe nayo loo disconnect yabo abantu bazohamba baye kwi-groove yabo ndizohlala endlini yabo ayo problem but xa bebuyile sibuyela back to loo nto leyo sidibanisayo either sisikolo okanye ibhola still siyaqhubekeka yabo so
ukubane do you remember ngoku kwakuxhaphake iklasi experience in high school kumzazixhapheke ndise-high school so like there'll be this event attendwa ngabantwana like a lookout hill ekhayelitsha and when something like okanye mhlawumbi kuthiwa eso scheme okanye loo crew yenze ibhesh ipati endaweni I wouldn't be laa mntu like on a Monday ndihamba ndiyomamela iindaba ezenzekileyo because I feel like le nto sanoyithetha yoba fine bazoya emgruveni ushiyeke but xa kubuya kuphinde kube it wasn't that for me.
awubalisi nango-generation on Monday or remove
kaloku lena ndiyithethayo yoba mhlawumbi ekuseni kuloo class ezo classmates zihleli phaa zengqondo qoba okhame ndihambe ndiyomamela if a conversation where I can pitch in fine but that doesn't necessarily mean those are my friends.
ndikufumene
So yeah.
Then so lo miss wakho like ezi like kwaya nentontoni ebezenza like kwisikolo okanye bezenza under i-program ethile okanye bezenzela nje ngokwakhe?
I'm not necessarily sure. Into yekwaya yona yayinto yesikolo.
Okay.
But ezinye ezi yayingeyonto because I remember when ibiyikwaya omiss bonke nesikolo songwakubona ubana si-invested and they are supportive. But xa senza ezi events zanoma it was just us nalo miss. Like not that ngoba abanye miss bazoyibukela just like xa ku-competition yekwaya zibamba it was never like that. So I don't know if it was her own thing okanye it was into yesikolo but like she had this group of people that she was sure of ubana they can act, they can sing and stuff like that. So
When ucula ntoni ngokwe?
No, like it wasn't opera ingoma Michael Jackson we are the world.
Okay.
So it would be something like that. Or like creating ingoma out of whatever it is we're acting about. She was very creative and like good at that. So we would do this in John.
No, like when ucula ntoni like tenor or
soprano.
Soprano.
I've always been a soprano. Yeah, but it's my speaking voice you wouldn't tell because it's deep. For Omtu who sings a soprano, but I've always been a soprano. Tenor is for guys. Bass is also for guys.
No, like wait. So like Lord.
Please no, it's not for guys. Anyone can sing it.
Exactly.
Please no, we live in a very different world. We live in a very different world, so anyone can sing whatever they want to sing. Don't call me a
but like ndiyakufumana uthini
yeah.
thina like it's mostly guys
Yeah,
or actually
yeah,
bears,
for sure.
but from let's say the experience yakho, like you haven't met maybe let's say a lady elicula ibest okanye have you met?
No, never.
Never.
I know. So there's soprano, which is what I am. There's mezzo soprano, which can sing my heart. Like, I can hold a high note for as long as I want to.
Yeah.
Mezzo soprano, not necessarily. And now I can't sing some low notes, but mezzo soprano can.
Yeah.
So mezzo soprano is different like that from a soprano. There is a countertenor, which is a guy who can sing a soprano, but not necessarily to like the full extent of a soprano. Umculo wenzelwe i-sopranos doesn't mean that a countertenor can sing that. And then there's tenor, which is Pavarotti.
Yeah.
And then there's baritone, which is umdo besai but not too much. And then there's bass, ke ngoku umdo kwaziyo ukubhesa nyanya. I hope I explained that. Because you never know. If I tell people, when Avan was at school and you see this, they'll probably say, hey, well, you don't know we explain about. So I hope I made you understand. That's what's important, Gogo, to make you understand. So I tried.
No, like ndiyakufumana, but I think, but it's a pity, like anzukwazi like Sautina. If ben no fumana like example like umuntu ayithethe then andenze umzekelo ba okay isounda kanje.
Yeah. I could, but
ivoice yakho kane.
Huh?
No sense like it's because like kufuneka preparation for
no, I mean I could show you online.
Oh, I thought
and like
the could work.
No, I'm on full vocal rest. Not full because I'm talking right now, but when I get home, I'm not speaking at all. Like just full vocal rest. Yeah. Until tomorrow. Like right now, as in Teta now, I can feel a strain. So I know I'm tired. I know my voice is tired.
Okay, just the background.
Yeah.
Okay, performing like sometime upper again.
I performed Tuesday. Monday I had rehearsals.
Okay.
I performed Tuesday.
Izolo
I had rehearsals for what's going to happen Friday.
Nanamhlanje
I had rehearsals preparing for tomorrow.
Yeah.
So tomorrow again is the performance day.
Okay. So in between as days is like i-performance nokutraina kwakho somehow kufuneka ufumane ixesha lokuresta ivoice yakho.
Yes. So ihamba nento eba if I've been singing the whole week.
Okay.
Basically at this point. My voice is bound to get tired.
Yeah.
And also ihlobo mhlambi that I practice okanye ihlobo endiwarm up ngalo will determine how my voice would last, how long it will last, or whether it's going to last for a whole week. Now before this week, before Monday, I hadn't sung Saturday and I hadn't sung Sunday. That already I'm putting myself at a disadvantage because when I get on school Monday, I need to make sure my warm-up is very good because I haven't sung anything in 2 days.
Sure.
And if ke ngoku ndienda cheater kwi-warm-up then I'll be strained, of which I did cheat on my warm-up. So now I'm paying for ezo zinto because andiyivulanga ngehlobo layo and andiyivulanga ndiyivule ndingxamile.
Yeah.
I didn't take my time with my warm-up. I didn't listen to it when it told me about, okay, take a 10-minute break. I didn't do that because it was just like, let's go.
Okay, so in between as performances zakho, kufuneka ube ne training, like awufunekanga like uskip let's say mzekelo 2 days xa uzoperforma because kufuneka upractice
it differs for everyone.
Yeah.
For me, ever since the Vuvule Iskolo this year, I've been okay. So before I see Utishala Wam, I know I'll warm up for like 30 minutes and I'll be fine. Because every day, say every day I'm warming up. So it's clearly.
Okay.
The minute I rest, and when I say rest, I mean not singing anything, even if it's R&B or whatever, not singing anything. and I'm just talking, my voice will rest. My singing voice will rest. So Monday, once it's school, I know I need to at least dedicate an hour, 45 minutes to an hour, and taking my time, not pushing it too much, but just like taking my time until I feel about okay, now. Because imagine I'm warming up for 30 minutes and I haven't sung in 2 days. And then I sing the whole day, and I sing izinto that I've like ezinzima and stuff like that. It voice gets strained because it didn't get the preparation that it needed. Yeah, well. So yes, training.
So funeka kubekho ibalance between.
Yes.
We make sure that awuculi too much because ungayimosha. Like it's more like lanto about too much of a good thing is bad, yeah. But at the same time, if awuyenzi kakhulu, well, not kakhulu man, but if awuyenzi more like regularly, then somehow invoice yakho ingaphinde and shut it down.
Yeah, if I all day I like towards the end of the year, 3 months, December, January, Feb.
Yeah.
I'm not singing Mhlambi that whole time. So imagine the preparation I need to do. Yes. on a in the shower, doing lip thrills. Like, okay. Even if I'm not gonna sing today.
Yeah.
But like just doing that. If I don't do a gym, if you miss each gym for like 2 days or 3 months, when you get back, you need to warm up and like stretch yourself because you don't know what you might strain. So it's something like that.
Okay, before spoiler back, because I feel like it's a jump now, but in the part in like lay full on rest, like out head.
No.
We end up for like so, like full day or
so let me tell you your routine when I have a performance that evening.
Okay.
In the evening. I wake up early, and when I wake up early I do lip thrills, I warm up.
Yeah.
And then the whole day I'm quiet. And then 2 hours before my performance, then I'll start bringing it back up again. Because another thing that I've noticed, and I started noticing this Glonyaka, is that I will warm up in the afternoon, and then 2 hours before your performance, and we're talking, voice, and like there's equal in talk about warm up here too much. You shouldn't have warmed up this much. It's a thing, and it affects you. I remember, when was it? I think it was, I don't know if it was Monday or last week, but I warmed up. Then I didn't normally warm up here, and I didn't take my time, so I didn't warm up kakuhle. And then I was singing the whole day. I was singing. But the last time I was singing, I could hear about okay, ndizawucula inote high ngoku, but xa ndicula la note high, ivoice yam ihleli yodwa pha, I can't control it. So if like ndiye ndakreka, izikrekele because I can't control it. And if ndiye ndashapuka and then I nuke up more than I should have, izawuzihambela yodwa, I can't control it. So your voice does get strained and it gets tired, and when it's tired, it shows.
As kule what veki yabo.
Yeah.
Then consumer like opera and stuff, and I was like, no man.
Don't do that.
But go,
no, if you have the gift, you can. It all starts on whether you have that gift or not. It's not a thing of say I was not totally and be like I'm not going with the mic on and then match my phone like where are we even going to start?
And but we're back. Speaking of the gift, so okay, so a primary with your teacher like say bonagel you have a gift like
I'm not sure what it's for.
Yes. So we have to like acquire and okay, still we are told like performer.
It kind of zero and there's Sunday choirs that told but like not into the choir like R&B alone or so they knew I could sing. I wasn't the only one who can sing. I'm not actually the only one who can sing, but I'm the only one who can sing opera.
Okay, now,
No, like since ever. When I say everyone can sing, I mean just we can. We can do that. We can harmonize together, and no accords will feel weird or anything like that. But when it comes to opera or like classical music, it's me. Just
So it's actually almost like when banezo like more like any household, but leya kungathi since nikwazi ucula because you find ba almost yonke musindlu somehow
Yeah.
kuba khona lo ngoma niyithandayo
Yeah, for sure.
usitry and then nina benibanazo
For
ezo
sure.
vibes.
I
Gospel.
remember kwakusanda Puma the three-way phone call ka R. Kelly.
Okay.
And not necessarily the three-way phone call, but Andy has Langoma. I don't listen to R. Kelly that much, but there's
You know
this
R.
song
Kelly
where we closet. They are acting it, but they sing
Yeah,
it.
Oh yeah, I think in
That-
episodes is means.
We tried to reenact that Ekaya.
Yeah?
Yeah, in Makaza. So Osisbam, if they watch this, they go into Osisbam, Emakaz, Sunday Jenny weekends Makaza Makazwam. We tried reenacting that. They saw Makazwam asked me and told him about Rebecca and Rebecca uno tata or Tola a different language. I'm not sure which one is it. I know my sister.
Okay, yeah, I think
So, Obviously, and yes, I'm not
Yeah.
TV, but I can listen and I can like try and personalize
imitate
it. So I did
Yeah.
that, and like it was a whole thing that night. We all sang that song, we harmonized it. So yeah, there were days like that.
Going back to like
Yeah.
you. So it's like okay, closet. I think ikhona man la kusho ba ingoma man. It's sort of a movie man.
Yes.
Storyteller.
But
in the episodes
Easy,
there's
yeah.
kusho ma
Yeah.
12 or 15 yabo
Yeah.
ijay kanjalo.
Yeah.
So niqale from eyokuqala.
No, it would
But
just
zero
be
party team.
low party thandayo. And at that time, kwakuthando la part le yafika le cherry and then someone uzimele kwicloset. And then makufika umjida.
Yeah.
But I don't know Arke lo uzimele kwicloset and someone is cheating and so it was that scene.
Yeah.
I knew it for like word for word. Every song I pulled
So,
that I knew.
Then
I
can you
knew
act
it.
when you're like
And we
Lecture
would
and
try
that.
and act it. We would try and act it.
yo.
That's
And
how
then
much.
nizwane direct but no man when I sukwenza kanje ithi
No,
kanje kanje.
because we all know bakwenzeka ntoni kasi.
Yeah.
Bawo ukhetha bawo uzibani banalo bawo uzibani bani. Then that's it. That's all we need. We know what's happening. We know
Yeah.
what's happening.
And the brothers nazo bezi
No, like family at the time was mostly dominated by women.
oh.
I think obude babekhona like 3 or 4 because husbands omakhulu zaswele kakudala so kwakho makhulu
Oh.
and everyone was giving birth to females so it was like we had a lot of females even like all day xa ndisithi kuzi-cousins zam akekho unombudo khoyo it's just
Sure.
females
Then ubani act R. Kelly ke yona.
us it was us yeah so it's a family enjalo kungona kuzobakho abantu abangubhuti ngoba kutshadwe
Oh, yeah.
and we would like they would bring in abanye and stuff otherwise it's mostly female.
Then can you pinde man?
You
Like
know?
libe ne reunion.
Oh my
Siphinde
gosh, they are married
It would be
now
nice.
with
It would be
kids.
nice.
Batshadile badala. Ngosisi bam ibona ngabe nge-80s and
Yeah.
90s. So badala ngoku they have kids. They live far. We all live far from each other. Ngoku. Everyone started working and like relocated somewhere and stuff like that. But naxa sidibanayo if kukho loo nto and kekero kitchen soze ngacula.
Yeah,
It's a
Hayi
thing,
njalo.
it's a vibe like that. It's a vibe. Yeah.
Injalo but I know like kum siyabhimba nobhimba thina kudala.
Oh no, we would call you out. Not sing with us because you do. Do not do that.
Salumosha yabo because zikhona ezinye indawo ufumanisa uba nina anifiti kuzo then niyakwazi usinikwa yini.
Well, they can't fit kuzo. I can.
Yeah.
So
Intrigue.
I remember there's a post on Facebook someone shared, and it had to do with Indonomculo Phakathi. And then I can't like I'm sure ikude ngoku. And abantu were like, yo, ngubani ke ngoku umuntu onocula ntoni and I was like, guys, I graduated. I'm like, you even have to ask at this point. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Then why high school ubuthe 18 kanti kama high school
Bulumko.
nebulumko
Mhm.
and so like kwaya yakho ubunayo primary yaphela
Yeah. Everything from primary. People that
Ukhala fresh
that I considered friends at that time because asikhula sonke. Wonke umuntu angihlebe esikoleni kuyodlalwa kuyazodlalwa esitratweni nobani. Everyone is gone.
also since uculayo like uyabonakala ubune voice ayikafiki idea yoba no man I can actually do this.
No.
Yeah.
I was set on being a lawyer.
Okay.
Oh.
I was like, and I think I saw that. I knew that about me. I knew, but I have a way of intimidating people, and I saw that we when it was time to do debates, mhlambe classing,
Yeah.
and then if I would stand up, people would be like, "Yo, I not really."
Yo.
Like yeah, there were moments like that. Even there's this other program I forgot Ikamara that I was part of. Sunday school in Empire. And then when it was time to make a point, when I stand up, people were like, yo, we might as well stop. Also, I knew I was good at like talking and convincing people of unity. So I was just set on being a lawyer. But Yonke started from me knowing that I talk too much and everything. Even if you come with a point, I have a way of arguing with that. And I have a way of making you change a point up and actually side with me. So yeah, I knew that about me.
Yo.
I was set on being a lawyer so bad.
Then okay, so in high school une sauti okwangoku like a dream or a part of by okay so zama by lawyer. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then figure high school then uye ukhangela ikwaya again okanye.
So ebulumki kwaye into yomculo engayonga kangako.
Oh, okay.
And I think it was only 1 year yayihoywe kangako, and I think I was in grade 8, grade 9. And then after that it never it was never brought up again. So that's when I discovered that kukhona choirs like banabadala like it's local choirs nje kwi areas and I'm sure ikhona neyalapha but I don't know by Pikamalayo. So
yes, Con.
not as a child.
Not as a
yeah,
child.
But so I discovered so every single time I would come back from school, that's where I would be. Yeah, because still at that time, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10, so I'm still coming back home, going choiring because we plan a competition that we're preparing for. So I was introduced to choral music,
Okay.
of which they would take mhlambi ingoma or a scene from ingoma from Law Opera production and it would be performed in a competition. So I was introduced to Izozinto little by little.
So if you say opera.
Yeah, opera, choral. Like it's Dibili so and
Come on.
oh my god, no,
No, man, guys,
do not do that. Please.
Why
Don't
need
make me explain. I don't know how to describe this thing, but like
Stevie Linden.
I know them because apparently postile.
oh, postile.
Like
Normally
so,
ingoma bazicula postile.
yeah, like
Okay.
choral music.
It sounds like that's what you
And
consider.
bidlale TV like
Kumizwilili.
kumizwilili.
Oh.
Yeah.
Then it's TV, I think they were on radio as well.
Yeah. So it was something like that.
Hey,
You need to-
kungathi ndizawubethwa
Ah, no.
man because into nomculo andikho big kuyo and kungoku andisuzazi.
Yeah.
Andisuzazi.
So it was that. I was introduced to that, and then I only knew about I'm really good at this in grade 12.
Imagine before grade 12, I think we're speaking of Chem. Love Life.
Yes, that was primary school.
Oh,
By
so,
high school, phela organization.
okay, so Love Life ngulo ebesenza nglam miss wakho.
Yes.
Oh, okay,
Yes.
okay.
So by high school, phela londo. Enjoy.
So it be sort of the organization.
Yeah, it was big at the time. It had magazines even. It was so big, and then it was. I remember this on my seventh Apayana at some point.
Yeah.
It was big at that, and it was just raising awareness for youth like HIV stuff, pregnancy stuff, everything. So it was in Durban.
I-organizations ziyaqhuba kakuhle nyhani because usisipho man wathi usisipho man uzimkhithi beno-Amy Bill yabo kwi-primary yakhe, and then like kulapho afele in love with i-acting yakhe so yabo, and then it shows man, because I think zoyithetha andazi okwesingaphi le nto, like i-importance of his extracurricular activities yabo. And yes, xa zijoyinwa ngoko iba into yoba okay, it's fine mandenze nje, but like they do like shape abantu yabo. They do shape abantu, and in most guests, okay, it's not like guests ezininzi also yabo, but
you can say most.
Most yabo. So they always reference yabo. Then kube khona uKutlwanong yabo. Kutlwanong ngibike babiza I think uSive noBash yabo, uncedile naye kakhulu. Beku-Amy Bill now Snow Love Life.
They've helped a lot, and I feel like the Love Life was way ahead of its time.
Is it?
Because right now we need it a lot.
Oh.
Right now,
we
are doing it at this point. And at the time, to see what was happening, but at the time I don't feel. At that time, HIV was like, starting to be coming into Ngulu. So I guess that it was for that, but go with like a lot of stuff that are happening outside, and to see when they come back from school, so they like have started like it was way ahead of its time. Yeah, for sure.
Any organizations is
can I just Mnadili, I am Avid, that's my full name. I am currently training of becoming a teacher, right? So I'm listening to you guys talking about extracurriculum activities. So I have debates at Stellenbosch universities. Not necessarily bad debates. Like Ezgian is pick up from having this podcast because we get different people up who are good at this, good at that. And then you say they're not good in maths, they're not good in physics, they're not good in business, or they're not good in economics. But when it comes to an extracurricular activity, they excel. So Landoliana, it comes back then we chat. You be with the group of friends, right? And then they're talking about boys, they're talking about going out, they're talking about drinking.
And I don't fit there because I haven't done those things.
Then when you move away from that, can I tell you something? From those groups, not all of them are within that. Right? It's just when I win power, let me move away from this.
Thank you. Yes, I haven't seen it that way.
Unfortunately,
peer pressure.
They went with the flow. So it's a sad thing. So I pick up those conversations, and then I see I'm phoning and last week I had a call with him. He chatted a lecture of a curriculum studies or theories. I debated with my lecture. That lecture upper we black schools or we schools is upper we townships. You necessarily get the arts and culture as being a primary school. When you venture to a high school or born alone, you have to go to a private school to perform art. So this is I'm here to change the perspectives about now. I'm sure people who are watching this or who will be watching this, they will get to see a different side of things. By vision and like his extra activities Mr. Ngosana. Don't worry about that.
I know. See, like I'm sure it's core namanezine and then kona nam maybe involved kuzo. So and zibalekile, I don't wanna lie, zibalekile. But from a primary, I can't join him with primary.
Well, I know you were big on football in primary school.
But it be outside of his school, but ibi-team nje of
Yeah.
which naleyo singatsho ke iba i-extracurricular activity. Yeah, bendidlala ibhola yabo. Yeah, and isaqhuba kakuhle but it's a pity apha e-Crossroad yabo ayenzeki and kudlalwa kakhulu phaa eNyanga. Yabo, so i-team ebezilapha e-Crossroad azisekho because eMandela ibala lakhona limoshakele. Then i-teams zayo zayojoyina phaa eNyanga and kuyadlalwa phaa strong.
But also, if ezo extracurriculums ziyaza say location ziyafika, do you even have kids that would want to participate in those stuff nowadays?
Yeah.
Do we? Because if say Love Life would come back again and like go to no after school uningazi nizohlala nathi sithetha about teenage pregnancy, sithetha about eating diseases ezikhoyo, how many girls do you think would pitch up to that?
Yeah,
so they can be there. Mhlawumbi there's a way for people to facilitate them, but then are they going to stay long enough? Are we going to have abantu who are willing to partake in it and stay long enough in order for the organization to like still be there and exist? Because we don't know why Your Love Life stopped. Maybe they didn't have, abantu that were interested in those stuff anymore. And I feel like this generation right now grows very differently compared to how we grew up. Tina, like, mix it. Like you'd have a full-on relationship with a person and it would be a relationship, but it's a long distance thing. Facebook. Yamazi uhlale elokishini yakho lona, yamazi uhlala apha kufutshane lona. Into e-long distance ayona abafuna noyibona. Officially, I felt like at that time when I was growing up, into long was good for me because I wasn't even ready to be like kubone with someone.
Yeah.
So that was my excuse about okay, he's not here, that's good. I'm still young, I'm scared. So before me. Other than that, he doesn't exist.
Yeah. Yeah, i-question oyibuzileyo yoba even if zikhona ngaba bazojoyina na. Yeah, i-trick.
Yeah.
But mazibe khona then siba test. Yeah, siba test yabo. Then nabazali ke ngoku yabo ba force then sawubona bakuzoqhubeka ntoni because I feel like nathi sijonga sawuthina from into esizibonayo yabo from afar yabo. Then maybe if there was corners activities and then bayabazisa straight and then they sort of like engage with youth yangoku, maybe ke i-minds zinga-change because sibabona kwi-social media nathi and then sigqibe uba hey kubhizi kakhulu. Yabo. And it's also any reason futhi yoba sibe nezi conversations nalapha kule podcast because you find uba let's say uhlale kwifowuni yakho yabo uzobana ukhalaza uba i-social media like igcwele zizinto ezingekho educational yabo and then ugqiba kwakho ucima ifowuni yakho yabo. But now into yoba if azikho into ezi-educational azikho because azenziwe yabo. So now kungcono uba sizenze nathi sizifake then ke ngoku at least ke ezi zinto that we deem uba azikho educational zizawuba ne-competition ezi that we say zi-educational because nyhani sifike sithi hayi man social media like iyabheda and so forth but asicontribute thina phaa so that abantu bakwazi ufunda because immediately umntana eklikha ejonga uzawubona ezi zinto ezisiqonda uba azikho right for bona but we can't run away from i-social media izoba khona but what we can do is to uba nathi sijoyine but si-introduce ngoku ezi conversations okanye le content that we deem uba yile bekufana uba bayayibukela or bayayimamela because
for sure.
eChina bona bayayenza ngokwabo uba andikhohlwa uba yiChina naphi na but e-Asia mostly like TikTok nontoni they filter zonke ezi zinto ezikho-educational and then they make sure they focus only on ezi educational.
I feel like we can only do so much. I'm not at this point. At some point, I wanted to have a setting where it's just females. Because I know a lot now.
Yeah.
And I wouldn't mind I'm not gonna stop people from dating. I know that's what they want. But I can only advise here and there. But I just wanted to have a space where at least indoors there was a teenage pregnancy can be prevented in a way.
Yeah.
But ngoku I'm so discouraged on doing that. I'm not in the mood because I'm like, yo, abantwana bangoku.
Try.
Because sorry to cut you off. Okay. I remember calling you Sisi where she would take abantwana and they would do Bible study.
Okay.
What are you gonna do about that? You can only pray, but something good comes from the attitude in and you can't force them to do anything. You can't change them at this point. But I think at a stage where they start liking boys and looking at boys, you can't do much about that.
Yeah, but let's say unawo bantwana by 100, then somehow by 99, like bakujikele okanye benze lento that like benze ezinto that you're trying to teach them about, and then you win low we won. Like I feel like it's worth doing something to save a low we won at least.
Yeah, I'm saving one girl, Namdi one, who's advising her, but now we have 99 people influencing her against what I'm saying. And it's good when it's a lot of people, but I can only touch now with my singing. When before I walk on stage, I only tell myself, but at least let me touch one person through my singing. That's the only thing that it only takes that one person. So Naglondo, I can touch one girl, but andiyaminaye every single day. I'm not there schooling naye. I don't even know but she's being genuine or she's just putting up a front. And this school really she's someone different. The type of friends she has.
But
so if I walk on stage, say I touch Lamdu one, I put my tetangam, Shamba don't really like me like that, and then I Sukaman, she's not that good. Have you listened to Uzban Ban? And now I'm like really long and thinking about that person.
And you okay, ikona into about let's say umntu want to value wena ngoku, but as ixesha lihamba, like let's say umzekelo bangakumameli ngoku, yabo, then they go out there benze izinto ezi, then somehow eza teachings zakho uye akwazi uzipractice xa yefila ngoba okay no man umisi or lo mntu lowo man wayethe mandithi, yabo. So kungcono umntu ayazi into then ayenze, compared to abanye ufumanise ukuba akazazi noba wenza ntoni ucinga uba i-right le into le.
For sure. I feel like I'm dealing with London because I have an older sister and I have a younger brother.
Okay.
So obviously I looked up to his sister one. I'm just worried. At least I do have a father figure for him.
Okay.
And I do have that men structure for him, someone that he can look up to.
Okay.
So I'm grateful for that because I can only say so much. And naye mhlawumbi even ndimxelele into engqondweni yakho zoba nanto uba hayi man really aka-understand ngusisi wam lona ndifuna uthetha nomntu ongubhuti. So I'm not saying but I wouldn't even partake in it. I would, because if I wasn't even in the mood to partake in it, I don't think I would have created that type of structure for him. It starts at home. So listen, you can talk about anything you want to talk to, and nangu mntu okhoyo that you can talk to. And for him to, I remember, I think last week my boyfriend told me about your brother yakho said ba hayi bhuti ndifumene umntu ngawo. That really touched me. Because I do not think he would have said the same thing for me ngam okanye kumba ndifumene usisi ngawo. I can only understand so much. Like he goes to him for everything. Last week we experienced Rojiwe. He did not talk to me.
Yeah.
This other, oh my god, I'm going to this other time he did something wrong.
Yeah.
The first person he went to was my boyfriend and not me.
Yeah.
So I think that's what he meant by I that I can look up to, someone that I can go to for advice, and someone that I can actually listen to.
Oh, okay.
I can only advise so much. So.
It's balekile, man.
Especially if like there's no father around.
Yeah.
You know, you can only like pray. But I hope you turn out to be a good person.
Yeah.
I don't know how many bad have like go if I then uzohamba with my boyfriend. They can have conversation together.
Yeah.
Can I say something fun?
Mm-hmm.
We've been having male guests, right? This is a point I'm trying to like reach.
Yeah.
We've been having male guests. Have you noticed, Putuba, all the men that have been here, right? Babalo is an engineer. He has a workshop here at Joburg. Sive is oceanography, is doing well. Younger alone. I'm not gonna mention them all, but here's a funny thing. They all said there, right? They talked about ukulele lokshin, right?
Yeah.
And they talked about having extra activities such as ikutlonong and all that, doing maths and physics.
Yeah.
And also doing engineering stuff and liking chemistry. Right?
Yeah.
One thing that you can point out, Glendo Ulila Chita, is that she's been preaching in Doba how women or girls tend to make decisions as bad, as influential, but as bad that gets to decide about Umbuza Bambani for the rest of their lives. Because Ngogo, she's sitting there, she's having Lendoba, she wants to be there for every woman or for every girl. Right? So for her, that's his struggle sack. For the guys that were here, do you know why struggle sack is the same one as now Unas struggle? Ukulela Pelokshin. Because when you are a guy Ukulela Lokshin, there's gangs, there's smoking, there's drugs and all that.
Yeah.
So you were running away from that, right? Not necessarily running, but it was a way of discipline. So Sis Lily, if I may say. So yeah, when came at theater and off camera you did ask about okay, I told you about Nam Kin Shala was a student. And I had an interview or an episode where I told Uput Vuyoba I'm also at war with younger people having to not knowing to choose whether this thing is right or it's wrong.
Yeah.
So yeah, it goes back to that thing.
Yeah.
That's all I want. I wanted to say.
And I feel like for us, Tina, females grow up very fast.
Yeah.
And we see Zulu very fast. And like, it's weird because at the age of 16, this is clear that I wasn't trying to 16.
Yeah.
I want a 20-year-old. I want a 19-year-old.
Yeah.
So and for Nina as the guys, it's hard to find a 15-year-old kid saying I want to date a 20-year-old woman. You can only fantasize about that as guys, I'm assuming, but not necessarily dating longer. Tina, we do that. So I really want to be there, but it's hard for me to approach someone because I'm gonna approach a umdu and then liphele ingathi ndiyamgezela yebo, and andifuna approach usisi bakhe kowabo, and then ibe ngathi I'm undermining usisi babo. So I can only hope and pray that stuff goes well for them.
No, that's why I will sit on social media must connect nabantu that you don't necessarily know.
Yeah.
And abanye that you know but ufanele like awuthethe nabo kanje so yabo. So kulento endithethe uba sine challenge ukuthi like since ikhona i-social media and ngoku igcwele with ezi zinto ezingekho like educational yabo, of which China ikwaziyo njengebutton isicime off yabo. So thina yeyoba uhlale phansi then you create something ezoba educational, somehow izospread and then you will touch ke ngoku ezo females ufuna uzitoucha there and there yabo. So yeah, like find time or uzame nje by all means yabo, ude ube nazo ezi conversation ufuna uba nazo yabo, because nyani akukho need yoba uthi nkqo wena what ungahlala nje ube nezi conversations yabo, because I'm sure like zikhona ezinye conversations maybe ufila uba like andinokwazi uzihandlisha kakuhle mna, maybe like enye lady yabo unothetha nazo kakuhle yabo. Find friend yakho nithethe ngazo, then uzawubona yabo, uzawufumana like i-DMs abantu bekuxelela ubana yo undincedile about this and this, yonke loo nto leyo.
For sure.
Yabo.
Yeah, but no, it's something I'm open to. I wouldn't say that I have time for it now compared to when I was in Kopenhagen. I had a lot of time.
Yeah.
So ngoku a lot is happening, but it's if I would get like you said, a DM from someone, I'm there. Like I'm there to listen, I'm there to say whatever it is.
Yeah.
I'm not like I'm not even going to touch on it. Yeah, but that's what I can do for now. Yeah.
I know like i-idea like uba nayo, and it's not like izoqala ngoku.
Yeah.
Like iba nicima iphinde ibuye iba nicime yabo. Yeah, because even kwala nto le podcast nokanye ithathe like 6 months till sishoot eyoqala yabo. So yeah, uzawuzibona nawe uzawufumana ixesha yabo, then uyenze yabo. Then going back to the journey yakho bese high school yabo. High school usandojoyina le choir le yasekasi yabo, uthi nisenza kakhulu
choral music.
Choral music, yeah.
Then and still usene dream yakho of being a lawyer yabo, and
I got to ask when that faded, when the dream faded.
somehow izovela loo nto leyo yabo, because we wanna know yabo.
Yeah.
And also like ilaa nto yoba okay ngoku so saziwa masiba uyakwazi ucula yabo, but still ayikafiki into yoba no man I need to pursue this as a career. Like uyacula nje bumo like mna bendidlala ibhola yabo, it's an extracurricular thing yabo, of which naloo point leyo yoba ude uyibona uba no man I'm actually dope kule nto and I can make a living out of yona. So like naloo turning point iyarhaleleka uba like siyifumane uba, because abanye abantu ufumane uba ayidifiki. Like ufumanisa uba umntu like unswebu either kwibhola or ekuculeni or ekuacteni, but aye kule route le academic le yesikolo, then ufumana u-9 to 5 wakhe ahlale phansi nayo. Abanye eyenza maybe kokwabo nje ne-friends like njengale ndlela leyo ukhule uyenza ngayo. So la point apho like okay, that's my question, because I feel like njengoba sihamba ngayo le journey yakho somehow izovela. So kangoku high school usene dream of ukuba yi-lawyer, then kwi-report yakho at least iyabonakala uba izawenzeka loo dream leyo okanye
No. So
ayibonakali.
at some point, so grade 9, everything was okay. Grade 10 ke ngoku, is where you have to choose
Pick
one.
subjects,
And at that time, I didn't know what you had to do in order for you to be a lawyer. I was just like, let me just choose it. And I had an amazing, is it EMS where you learn about journals? Amazing. She made me fall in love with accounting.
Okay.
So I was like, I'm doing that. Little did I know. Yo, Miss Bankan, but like everyone would know who I'm talking about. Because she had her own personality. And every student loved her. I saw one student and said, sometime.
So, like, this is the Mrs. Zincha, okanye bekudala ekhona.
Not kudala ekhona.
Oh.
So I fell in love with accounting part. So I was like, yeah, paid into a lawyer. I'm
Okay.
going to become an accountant.
Ish.
Little did I know, but just because I'm choosing to do accounting doesn't necessarily mean man's of food is wrong way.
Oh,
So you teach EMS. Then go to grade 10 and get
Grade
accounting.
10, we did accounting, economics, business studies,
Yeah.
and maths. Fine, Daya, and I think she taught me for like a couple of months, got grade 10, and then another teacher came.
Yo.
That's where everything just went down for me. I was passing everything except for accounting and maths. Grade 11, I changed maths and went to immense speed. Now, at that point, you will go, I cover pooper. I can't dream. I'm not dreaming to be something. I don't know sense of at that time. It like accounting just went downhill for me at that point, like down. And I'm not gonna say in my game with Ishan because other students were passing.
Yeah.
I just think that I got so discouraged not being taught by her that I just became lazy at that point for it because I was passing everything.
Yeah.
And it was the same. Also, grade 12, I passed everything except for that.
Yo.
And yeah, I was just really discouraged. So I finished grade 12.
Yeah.
Grade 12, I entered a competition. It's still for local choirs, but now it's soloists. So soloists, I don't have to explain.
Yeah.
Yeah,
At
so
least.
that-
At least they are.
So I entered a competition. I started grade 11 2014, and then I didn't go through. I was like, that's all right, it's not a big deal. I was there just to have fun. 2015, and then I won like the soprano section.
Okay.
I was like, okay, maybe this is something.
But wait, to go from a choir, then we'll do solo. So.
No, local. So the competition. Igama layo nguWegma at the end of the day, second at the time. So uWegma had underneath uWegma there was a soloist development competition.
Yeah.
So uconductor walogwaye can say, but awufuna ungenela le competition.
Oh,
So it's not a thing about I'm leaving choir. No, I'm still within a choir. And if I win, the choir.
Okay.
But in my days at home, obviously.
Yeah.
So it was something and then I won. Connect was like, do you want to enter? I was like, okay, sure. And then I did, and then I won in 2015. And this was the second year it was happening. So now I'm like, okay. I applied to varsities in grade 12. I was provisionally accepted, and there's a premier results, and I was not accepted by any because of that accounting.
Yeah.
So I was like, guys, let me just sit. And at that time, Kengoku, everyone was doing something, and here I was at home, not doing anything because I had not prepared for this. So 2016, and then there were like ezo zinto here and there that I would do, like morning promotions and stuff like that. So I would do ezo zinto.
Okay.
Late 2016, I got a leadership from Telkom. And I was told it was for IT, and I was like, okay, cool, let me just to see why. And then I get that title, and then I did that for all of 2017.
Okay.
Towards it was, I am not a smart person like that. Okay. I don't like so and in the IT was I want to be pretty in every single thing. I can't be very overall or but the sales side spoke to me more than the IT stuff. So early 2017, the conductor is like, you didn't offer your phone university. I'm like, for what? I did phone Polo. I'm like, Polo, you can study for that, but well you can. And like I was like, oh okay, I guess you can, sign me up. Fine. And then November is the audition. In order for Baba Ungeni, it's like you have to audition for it.
Yeah, and it alone when I
you have to audition for it. So late 2017 November, we auditioned. Then deemed as like 4. Okay. We had to audition. I didn't think much of it. Also, when I auditioned, I didn't take it as one. I was like, I did. And then December, now contract to the is up late December.
Yeah.
I need to figure out what I'm going to do next year. December, email 1st of December 2017. Email us you sit here again. You have been accepted. I'm like, huh? But go could accept where College of Music, which is under UCT. UCT hasn't accepted me yet.
Yeah.
Now I'm panicking because I didn't pass one of my courses. I don't even know, but I'll get in UCT with the results I have. Your voice is in
Yeah.
because there's potential there.
Yeah.
But I never was it. But Napanda accept. It was amazing. I felt really, really good. I was like, okay, I'm going to sing for the rest of my life. It's amazing. Dear school ready, but you're told like you know? So I fine, now it's my first year.
Yeah, before the first year, I think ndifumene i-conductor yakho like yiyo ndingathi pushing kakhulu.
Him. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be there.
Because from ikwaya ikhona le competition uthethe ngayo that uye wayingenela then wade wayiwina like ukubonile kwabantu man ulidli man another thing yabo khakungene as isolo yabo then wayiwina. Okay, so how you winayo like kokwenu like qhathela izandla and so forth okanye into yoba okay
the only person who really supported that was my sister.
Okay.
Mama ingafuna uyibona.
Is it?
Yeah.
Ebefuna esikolweni.
Yeah. It goes back to everything. Siyaziyo nathi.
Yeah.
Oba Vuyo you can't play soccer.
Exactly.
Then you come back home. Then esikolweni uyaxelela uba umama wakho makancedise ku-homework yakho. You know ngoba ngoba umama xa bekuncedisa ku-homework bathi
but she ended up realizing that this is my dream, and she ended up realizing it can sustain me financially. So she was okay with that. I guess every mom has into yoba ndifuna umntana mabe well off. Ndifuna abe nemali. So then even if you do laundry yenzayo that you regarded as a hobby at some point, once abona umzali uba all right, and then they are going to be happy for you. I think that's what she needed.
One thing for sure, and I think singavumelana ngathi sonke lento le abazali bethu they want what's best for Tina.
Yes.
And ke ngoku it's just that like indlela mansuke ndithi indlela empumelelweni kusoloko kuthiwa sisikolo yabo and ke ngoku bona bayazi ba no mntanami kuze like yonke into iqhube kahle yesikolweni ezinye izinto siza kuphazamisa yabo and also nabo bane reasons zabo yabo because ukuphila ngomculo one akho zawuthina ayonto iqhelekileyo yes iyenzeka pha but ine stereotypes zayo yabo and ayikho na stable because bona bafuna like into yoba okay qho ngenyanga ufumana le mali ngayo so yabo but ke ngoku emculweni uzawudependa maybe kwi-gigs ezo and ifuna like i-faith and ifumana into edibhanise ne-talent like umuntu ayipesiwe and kunye ne-structure esi-right yabo and ke ngoku le sikolo iba yi-sort of i-cheat code yoba no yesikolweni then ugqiba kwakho uhambe uyophangela then wenze le ke ngoku ufuna uyenza because le talent i-tricky but you find ke ngoku uba kwabantu ke ngoku uba le sikolo ke ngoku inzima like ufumanisa uba academically yabo akaqhubi kakuhle umuntu and ke ngoku i-options zimbalwa yabo but ke ngoku italent ikhona and ke ngoku still le route yoba umuntu ayiphesiwe as a career le nto le ayifiki because azikho as conductor for wena and then maybe abanye abantu like i-friends zacela no man like you can try le nto le yabo and then man as abantu we need aba bantu abazokubona uba no man une-potential yabo and with le nto le yabo you can do more ngayo
Yeah.
yabo. It's more like umzekelo Jongo usive uthi I think friend yakhe bethi ngibani nakanene ndilibele kodwa yabo yiyo eyathi if uzakwenza i-PhD angayenzi like let's say apha eMzansi anga-apply abroad yabo, of which kuye ibe ngekafiki loo nto leyo yabo. And ke ngoku i-friend like it's more like yambonisa uba no man unswem kule nto le and you can actually go like kude yabo, ungazijongela uba like uzawufunda nje apha eMzansi and then what yabo. And I think i-conductor yakho like was that person for wena because bona uba no man impick up yabo.
He saw something that I did not see at the time.
Yes.
Yeah, and I can only be appreciative of that and be grateful for it. Yeah, even though ndizoba grateful for Londo at my 3rd, 4th year. I didn't.
Yeah.
At that time, for me, I was just happy that I had something I was doing and I constantly, because nabantu and they're doing something and you're not doing something, and then depending being from Tanandani, they're like, I'm ulili working. Akafundi.
Yeah.
Kodwa wayezenza ukuphupha kuthi kanti uzofika ehlale after grade 12 yebo. So yeah, it was that for me.
So okay, yeah. We auditions. Auditioner like uyacula mos, ucula like ezibingo.
I sang Omye Papino Karo, the Mr. Bean thing.
Okay.
And
yo, I so wish ubunga receive voice yakho buzabanisi.
And ingoma le ndayibona ngayo la competition, which is Rejoice greatly. So those are the, because if we are nengoma emfushane, of which like Mr. Bean is very short, they'll say no, we want to see more. We haven't seen what you want to see, so like give us more. So I sang Rejoice. And that's how,
Now we're going indlela yokuvisa abantu le ngoma ka Mr. Bean. I'll try and find something man.
You can insert it
because it's nice like I
think I'll forget the segment.
Yeah. Do you know what it's about?
You don't?
Lemon.
No idea.
So it's this girl who okay, so this girl likes this guy so much. So Tata Walechero family. So in that scene where Atula Lango, she's pleading with the father, like, oh my God, he's so handsome, he's amazing, please let me marry him. If you do not allow me to marry him, I will kill myself.
Romeo and Juliet.
It's like that. Exactly. So she was pleading allow me to marry this man.
Yes, I'm going to depend on Bruce, but it was Bulana.
It's not Romeo and Juliet or opera.
Is it?
Yeah. An opera production for it. Like there's
i-opera ngamanye amaxesha sikube ngathi like ayo language ethile, kungathi like ngabantu nje abenza into zawuthina maybe because most stars zicula like in Italian like nge-language esingayaziyo thina yabo. So ngamanye amaxesha xa beyicula kuba ngathi like abathethi kungathi benza nje i-harmonies. So kanti like le uyithethayo ngoku like then ngenoyazi uba laa ngoma ine-storyline esithile because nandiva nje what right yabo yonke loo nto leyo.
Everything, almost every song eculwa ngumntu isuka kwi-opera ethile, and the opera has a story. Opera ngathi yi-movie efana ne-movie, it has a storyline.
That's why theatre go.
Yeah, so with le nto ka my first year ndizobhideka ke ngoku xa ndibona ii-classes endinazo, and zonke ezi classes endinazo ayikho into ethi ba singing class or vocal whatever. And I'm confused, like I have to take Italian, I have to take German
as in
language, I have to take French, I have to take music theory, which is where we learn how to like read notes, my notes, how many beats and stuff like that. I have oral where I learn how to compose something. I'm like, what am I singing? And I think that's
practical.
And I think that's why a lot of people dropped out. Because they just thought there's a lot of theory that you have to do, a lot history.
Yeah.
And like you also but all operas or everything is mostly written in Italian, German, or French. So you have to take those classes.
Yeah.
Yonke into uzonika umculo awuzofundiswa mhlambe ndinika umculo namhlanje Thursday.
Yeah.
No, actually that's a long time. Ndinika umculo Friday to Monday uzowazi. I need to learn that by myself. So ufundiswe ezo zinto phaya. And it's stuff that I never thought of. It never crossed my mind. But I thought I was there to like. So I would only see my vocal teacher once a week.
Yeah.
For an hour, and that's it. That's the amount of times I've sang the whole week.
So, njengofunda like, let's say like French, Italian, and so forth. So like, bakufundisa like, as in the basics is
the way you would learn English. Exactly that way. Verbs, adjectives, every single thing. And so English is exactly how they teach those things. Those languages.
So can you speak as well languages? No?
I can't speak them. I can read them.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So the reason for that for us to learn those languages is to be able to. As for I need to go in and translate it. Yes, in English, so that I can be able to show the emotion. If someone would speak Italian with me, I wouldn't know what they say. But I can read it. So ndiyakwazi ufunda umculo wami, ndiyakwazi ufunda Italian umculo wami, ndiyakwazi ufunda French or German. I can pronounce every word. So, but like every single time you get something, you need to go and translate it in order for you to know what it's about and what it's saying, kulo line, what elagama means, and all of that.
So essentially, let me tell you about you don't necessarily pay attention to sounds of a language, Netflix zabo, because when I was a projector with your soprano voice, that's all you do.
So with that, you have to be mindful of how they say it.
Oh, okay.
The way they pronounce amagama, you have to be mindful of that. Whether you voice type,
oh, okay.
We in Italian they have double consonants. So in a word, there'll be a double T. There's a way they pronounce that T. When I sing, I need to pronounce that T.
Oh, okay.
I can't just be like I will. No, it has to be exactly the way they speak it.
Oh, now it makes sense.
Yeah. So it's like that with French and German as well.
No, ndicinga indlela enzima ngayo like ukufunda ezo languages ezo because I know I would struggle.
And listen, Italian sasifundiswa ngumuntu sasingamva because he had a thick accent. He's an Italian person. So imagine that. And imagine asking umuntu so why funeka senze kanje apha, and they'll say because it's how we do it.
Nice. No, kufuneka decolonize opera. Decolonize opera. Then yeah, nansi ke ngoku. Because I feel like even over nice nyani if let's say umzekelo ibe esiXhosa.
Yeah.
And ke ngoku you get to sing esiXhosa and yeah. Kulapho ngena khona le movie laseKhayelitsha ubani kanene Carmen. Yes. Because okay, kum yayimandi and bacula like babecula kamandi yabo, and I feel like nanti ndiyoyibukela again because I think ndayibukela ndisemntana yabo because andiyazi ba storyline isithini. I think I only enjoyed ezindawo eziculwa kuzo yabo and ibe ngesiXhosa yabo. So don't you think, but I'm sure man, like bekuzaba lula yabo, but it's a pity by opera like originator from ela side lingapha and hence funeka bekuteache kanje ya. But ke ngoku xa sizisa kuthi ke ngoku is the more of like into ezifana No, comment.
Yeah. So in 2020, after lockdown, when we went back at school, there was a production by the most amazing composer, Usibusiso Njeza.
Okay.
He he wrote everything.
Yeah.
And it was called Amagoka. Yeah. So it was about Uyinene, because it was close to the time when Uyinene happened, and it was only for females.
Okay.
It was such an amazing production that till this year I'm like, I want to do that again. But gay eskolweni, we don't have those many resources to repeat productions.
Oh, okay.
It's in isiXhosa.
Uh-huh.
And what was so nice was that even abantu abamhlophe abandifunda nabo were a part of that. And now they were singing in isiXhosa, which was so amazing because it was so like inclusive. And it's the most amazing production that I've ever been a part of. And there is a way for us to have more of those productions. We just need people to compose that.
Yeah.
It's not a matter of when there's close up, we're not even no, we did it. I'm sure people can look at it. If scholar can look at it and say, okay, we'll do this.
Yeah.
But you can't just like write a story and then give it to us. There has to be every single thing in it, like the musical part of it, composing it, in notes for us, everything.
So Amagoka, like I couldn't film yayo.
No. And we didn't get locked down, so like I think the venue could only take in plus minus 30 people. Kandi normally when we do productions, zibukela, like if a Baxter, like 200 and something people can watch.
Oh yeah.
But and we never videoized it.
Yeah.
It was never filmed. So that was the only ingathi into ukubona into engathi liphuphe yayenzekile, and it might never happen again.
But it's so damn good.
It's but it's always on your mind. It's always there. Even we were talking about it kule performance when I Tuesday. The guys were like, no, AI production needs to be repeated.
Yeah.
For sure.
Can
It's
you pin
amazing. It's so
so
amazing, so touchy. It's isiXhosa, even nezinto kubona xa kwenzeke something endaweni ethile nabantu abangomama badibanele kuloo ndawo. It had scenes like that. It had scenes with kulayitwa impepho. And it was so amazing.
Yeah.
It was amazing.
Because I feel like maybe the reason why like the average people abantu abafana nam like sine disconnecting with the opera, it's more like khona le ngoma le umsanondixela ngestoryline sayo yabo. So now xa sendiyimamela ngoku ndizoyimamela nale idea yoba no man yabo. I understand uba
ingoma enjani.
Exactly.
That has to do with your acting and how you express yourself, Paul.
Okay.
Believe it or not, it doesn't matter about voice. We don't care about that. Now I'm at a point where even I'm like, okay. What matters is how you express yourself. How you can tell a story for umntu who doesn't know the language, doesn't understand what you're saying. I can tell, but I know this was very sad.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you need...
Mr. Pine ukwazile uyenza.
Exactly. It's a sad song. So like Uktule opera comes with that. You need to be able to act. You need to be able to express yourself. Hence, you need to know what you're singing about.
I see.
It's easy to disconnect with Umdose stage who's just singing, standing like this.
Yeah.
You can connect more. I remember the competition, the first competition I had this year, someone said I almost cried when I sang.
Yeah.
And I was like, that's what the song was about. Now I was crying. It's easy when there's a production, you can't do it by like subtitles for that translate to English and isiXhosa, so you can understand. But when it's competition, there's nothing like that. You can like only hope that you touch someone or someone sees what you were trying to like portray.
Yeah.
It's storytelling.
Yeah.
No,
sizawuzama like connect and not to just nje pass by ukame nje kalula, because I think like i-field a foreign, let's say, to abantu abamnyama yabo,
Yeah.
and then they took i-opera benza like i-movie yabo yade yavela ku-SABC, and I think thina since, because I'm sure ngoku noba maybe badala yabo, kukho i-new generation ngoku ekhoyo yabo, and ke ngoku nani somehow ningafind iway yoba it's more like le nto kuyithetha yale amagorha yabo, then somehow like uyatsho nawe uba ibintswembu to a point yoba kungase uyiphinde yabo. Then ngoku imagine ke ngoku if let's say ibinode ifilmishwe like ibukelwe nge-SABC, like ngayinto entswembu nyhani,
for sure.
eza moments ezi sort of like zizama utshintsha i-history, because i-opera ngesixhosa yabo, I feel like nathi ke ngoku sawuba more interested, because ngoku iphaa kudelay, because I believe zawuthina ezi ngoma ezi like le ubundixela ngayo ngoku, there's a lot of storytelling, and there's a lot maybe of lessons ezikhoyo, but thina ukuya e-theatre okay kuyabiza for like umntu or average nje kuso yabo, and ke ngoku even if let's say uyayimamela, andazi noma okanye uzayimamela phi, xa uyimamela nje only ungayiva i-language, and ke ngoku kungekho nomntu umbonayo apho maybe you can pick up uba kwenzeka ntoni apha, then that disconnect iphinde iba more ke ngoku, but yeah man, nikhona nizawuzama, but yeah, yintoni kanene kangoku?
I can ask something while you still.
Yeah, ndisazama udibanisa uba besiphi in terms of le ndlela siyihambayo yabo. Okay, ungabuza.
Oh, okay, yeah. My favorite question, like kumntu wonke obalapha. Yeah, I had to wait for you like to say like most of the things that was stated. Your grief against young people. Yeah, that's always gonna be there. You'll find out about you're gonna have kids now that you have to look after, and then everyone around your kids uzaba skeptical about should they be around my kids or so it's always something like that. But I don't know where you are recently, like, but I thought I might as well ask you this question. But in Vileba, you're still doing music and you are a professional opera singer, right? So here I am, asking you this question. Since you've been grieving about young people, young women making the wrong decision, and not being exposed to easy, right? Like what were you saying? And then our love life and all those things. And then when you have a perfect skill from natural, or a beautiful skill, or a craft that you carry along the way that's going to change your life, or it is changing your life, is cool. So the question is, you see everything. Would you be the vessel to Lukshin? Like, how would you feel, Pufu, to be someone also introducer, like opera or music towards younger people? Like, if you would meet with your community, right, or meet Nabazali, and then okay, you're trying to do something for Abandanaba. Okay, you can have 100 people, then you can only touch so much, then they fall off. So like in your mind or at the back of your mind, like but before this, when you're good at something, right? When you're good at something, it's up to you if like you wanna give back the skill, right? So that from London, but you grew up from a tough situation, so you have to run 1 year overseas, so that your family can grow. So yeah, I wanted to ask you that about when now, like are you interested, or are you thinking about like introducing the art with Uzanaya to your community or to people that want to?
So, I have been part of, well, not necessarily part of it, but I was contacted by a director as a Skolweni. This wonderful lady, Umidi, works at UCT, but she's in touch with township programs, youthful programs.
Oh, okay.
Where they bring in abantwana balo township with like whoever they're in touch with.
Yeah.
They'll bring them in a Skolweni and have 2 singers sing for them, and they can ask whatever question they want to ask.
Sure.
So for me, in a way, that was giving back because I never got that.
Yeah.
And they're so fortunate to have that. They have programs where they can see opera singers, and it was not only for opera singers, but it was also for like people who do criminology and izinto that is like very scarce, like you never hear about. It looks so I would definitely want to be a part of that. And I'm grateful that I have been. I haven't heard. I did that twice.
Sure.
But esibini was esikolweni, baziswa esikolweni. And it's like there's not only opera, they don't only teach opera, there's African music, there's jazz. So abantu be African music nabo bayabazisa abantwana.